In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to add a Google Maps banner to your email signature with Bybrand. In the first step, create the banner using the Google Maps integration. Write the physical space address in this area, and click the button to generate the map image. The image will be created and saved in the Assets section. Now, click on the email signature to add the banner image in the footer. Finally, I will add the address link to open Google Maps when the customer clicks on the image.